and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to clean my washing machine with ammonia. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how I'm going to deep clean my washing machine and tumble dryer with ammonia. So recently I made a video about cleaning the oven with ammonia and I think it did a really good job. In that video I mentioned that ammonia is a chemical, but it's a chemical that breaks down in the environment slightly easier. I have checked online and it is okay to use ammonia in the washing machine and to clean the washing machine and tumble dryer with as well. So I'm going to give them a deep clean today because they are a little bit filthy, and I'm hoping that this does a really good job. So while I was doing that, I thought I'd share what I was doing with you. So here is how I've deep cleaned my washing machine and tumble dryer with ammonia. To start the process, I filled up the sink with some lukewarm water and then I added about 4 tablespoons of the ammonia to the water. It says on the instructions to add about 4 tablespoons to every 5 litres, so I just guessed that that was 5 litres. And then I removed the drawers from the tumble dryer and the washing machine, and I also removed the filters as well. And I left these to soak in here for a good half an hour while I went and cleaned the washing machine. And the reason I did this is because when I cleaned the oven, I noticed that when I left the glass to soak in the ammonia, it seemed to do a good job. But then I remembered I had to fill up a bowl of water to actually clean the washing machine and tumble dryer with. So I had to awkwardly fill up a bowl of water over the sink, and then I added some ammonia to that. And then once that was done, I then went into the laundry and I added some peppermint oil to the ammonia. And this was just basically to make the washing machine and tumble dryer smell a bit nicer. And then once I'd added the peppermint oil, I then started to clean the drawer of the washing machine and around the drawer of the washing machine as well. Once I'd finished cleaning the drawer, inside the drawer of the washing machine, I then moved on to cleaning the drum of the washing machine and also the door and around this area as well. So I cleaned the rubber ring that's inside the washing machine as well. I am using rubber gloves to clean with ammonia. It does say on the packet that it can cause skin irritation, so to use gloves, so I always use gloves while cleaning with ammonia. And then once I'd finished cleaning that area, I then moved on to cleaning the drawer of the tumble dryer. This wasn't as difficult as the washing machine, but it is slightly longer, the tumble dryer drawer, so you do have to reach a bit further back, but I managed it, it was fine. And I tried to get a lot of the dust off as well. There was quite a lot of dust on top of the tumble dryer and also around the sides of the tumble dryer as well. And as you can see here, I'm just using a hoover to try and get a lot of the dust out where the filter sits. That tends to get quite clogged up, and I've found by using a hoover before, I've managed to get a lot of the dust out. And my husband showed me this trick the other day. He actually used a skewer from the kitchen to get some of the dust out from the inside of the tumble dryer as well. So that seemed to work really well. And then once I'd got a lot of the dust out, I then started to clean inside the drum of the tumble dryer as well. once I'd finished cleaning the insides of the washing machine and the tumble dryer, I then moved back to the kitchen sink and I started to wipe down the drawers and the filters. So I started with the tumble dryer drawer and I moved on to everything else, but I want to say that I did actually manage to get some stains out from this tumble dryer drawer. It has been stained for quite a while, and with the ammonia I think it did a really good job at getting some of the stains off. And also the stains on this washing machine drawer, the stains at the very end didn't come off, but some of the stains on the inside of the drawer did. So I was really pleased that I'd left this to soak, and I think I'll be doing this when I clean the oven. I think I definitely will be leaving it to soak in the ammonia. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going to continue to clean the filters and the drawers. When I'd finished cleaning the washing machine drawer and the tumble dryer drawer and filters, I then moved back to the washing machine and tumble dryer and I just gave them a quick wipe down. They weren't wet, but they were slightly damp, and I just wanted to make sure they were just bone dry before I started to put everything back into them. I also decided to dry the floor off a bit. I noticed that it was a bit wet from the bucket of water that I'd had on the floor earlier, and also I decided to hoover up some of the fluff that had come out of the tumble dryer and landed on the floor. So I hoovered that up, and then once that was done, I then moved on to drying off the filters. These were slightly wet and they did need a good dry, so I'm just going to continue to dry the filters and the drawers as well. When I'd finished drying the washing machine drawer and tumble dryer drawer and filter, I decided to put these back, and then once that was done, I then moved on and I decided to give the washing machine a quick clean without any clothes in it. So I added some vinegar to the fabric softener drawer and some soda crystals to the powder drawer, and I just put this on a quick wash for 15 minutes on 30, and I find if I do this, the washing machine tends to run really well. The washing machine and tumble dryer are done and they're looking really clean now. I'm really pleased with the finished results. The drawer in here, I got most of the marks off, but there is still one at the top, but the stains seem to have all gone in there. I did put this on a wash, just a low wash, for 15 minutes, and it's smelling much cleaner inside there now. And it's looking a lot cleaner as well. And then inside this drawer here is looking a lot better as well. And as with the washing machine, the drum is looking a lot cleaner. Obviously I can't put this on for a spin and clean it, but yeah, it's just looking a lot better and smelling a lot better in here now as well. So I'm really pleased with the finished results. That's my washing machine and tumble dryer completely deep cleaned and looking and smelling a lot better as well, I have to say. I think the ammonia has done a really good job, so I'm really pleased. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon.